So we have a simple animation going here. As you can see, FPS is high. It just depends on the computer you're using. We've doing this exact same thing on an integrated PC. You're not going to see FPS this high. It's going to drop to like single digits. So it really just depends on the performance of the capabilities of the computer. Okay. All right. And of course, you guys know while this is playing, we can. Oh, okay. Hold on. Yeah. While this is playing, we can change that operator. So we can change those effects. Intersect. Subtract. Subtraction. So subtraction and intersection puts it there. Okay. And union. Okay.